Hi guys, what's up? In this video I will show you how to repair and restore your faded and distorted car shades. Now as you can see that my car shades are distorted, faded, and the piece of clothing is coming out of it. Take a closer look. So I've been spending my money on new shades after every 2 months. Therefore in this video I will show you a perfect and final solution to solve this problem because I'm sure that many of you are facing this problem too. Now, things that you need are number 1, scissor, number 2, a matte black spray paint, and the last thing is cloth piping, also known as cloth binding. Now moving towards our first step, number 1, wash the car shade gently and remember to not use any kind of brush on it. So guys, after washing it, leave it to dry for 15 minutes. Now moving towards our next step, pick the cloth binding, measure it, start from here. Now after measuring it, cut the cloth binding. Now what I'm about to do is open both sides, open both corners of it, and start sewing the cloth binding from here till the end using a sewing machine. So guys, now you can see the results. It's perfect now after sewing the cloth binding on the shade. Now moving towards our last step. Now as you can see that the upper side, this side is darker and the lower side is faded. I will spray paint on it.